Hey guys, it's Katie and I'm back with Natalie and Allie for week 4 of our Spring Slim Down Challenge. And today we're going to do a cardio-based workout using our resistance bands and a light set of weights. So grab your gear, and if you are ready to burn serious calories, sweat the thumbs up, give it a little click, and let's get started. All right, so grab your booty band, put it right around your thigh, grab a light set of weights. If you don't have your band, it's totally okay. But if you do, put it on because you are going to feel the intensity skyrocket and get so much more out of this workout. Core is tight. Our first move, we're gonna side lunge. If you have the resistance band, you're not gonna be able to step quite as far as you normally would. That's okay. Just get low, weights in front, palms face toward your body. Step together, keep your shoulders locked down, but row up. Little upright row to the side, row up. Good. Down nice and low, step it up. Exhale. Good. Really think about pulling those lats down your back, keeping your shoulders locked down, posture tall. Awesome, you guys. Whew. For 8, 7, 6, 5, for 4, 3, 2, last one. Step together. We're gonna switch legs this time. And if you're first starting out with those upright rows, use a light weight. It's really important to make sure you're protecting your shoulder and your neck. So step out to the side, get low chest lifts, row it up, down and up. How you guys doing?
Ooh, great.
Getting warmed up?
Yeah.
Good.
Love a good side lunge.
Woo! I know, just get that booty, so good.
And I really like that you can feel it in your inner leg.
Yeah, totally.
And I use my resistance bands all the time, so
I know.
just throwing that out there.
No, I seriously do. And people always ask me like what I do for my legs and if I do like big heavy weights, and I don't. I follow the app. Like that is it. Do my leg days, add the resistance bands, and seriously, it makes such a crazy difference. Exhale. Good.
You can take a workout with that.
Yep. 4 more. 3, 2. Last one, step it in. All right, so I'm gonna give you guys a challenge. Natalie, if you want a demo without the weights for us, we're gonna step out, kind of facing to the side. The weights are gonna come up. You're gonna pull your knee up and pull the weights down by your side. Reach up and in. So a little bit of standing crunch, bring that leg in. But you're getting the arms, the shoulders, the abs, and even some more booty here. Good. Let's go. 8, 7, 6. Get that heart rate up. For 4, 3, 2, 1. Switching sides right into it. Up. I love a good knee drive. Like, right? It's kind of dancey. Woo. Jazzercise. Up. Oh yeah. For 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Shut those weights down. We're like 3 minutes in. All right, booty band around the lower legs, kind of the ankle area. We're gonna turn to the side. Right leg's gonna go back. Depending on the resistance you're using, you may only be able to go back like an inch or 2. That's okay. So you're gonna lift, curl in tiny, tiny bit, tap the toe. Lift, curl in, extend, tap, up, in, out, tap. Good. Whoop. Up, in, out, tap, lift. Do you feel that all along the backside?
Yes.
Up, curl, tap. Up, curl, tap, lift, and tap for 8, 7, 6, woo, 5, 4, oh, my standing leg, 2, 3, 2 more. Last one. Shake it out, shake it out. We're gonna switch sides. Hi, hi. Okay, this side. I'm like, let's do it. Okay, we lift, curl, tap, lift, curl, extend, tap. It's little and controlled. Core tight. If you are not using the resistance band, you can go a little higher, but I want you to avoid arching your back. It's all about working the glutes and the hamstrings. Tap, lift, curl, tap. Woo!
It's like the tiniest motion. And
I know.
So much.
Ah,
And you have to like think about it too.
you really do.
Like,
Coordination. I like that. You get a little brain work too.
Yeah.
For 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Oh, tap it out, walk it out, shake it out. High booty. Hamstrings. I love that because it just like targets the back, right? You don't get the quads.
So activated.
Yeah, you get all back here. All right, you guys, we're gonna get rid of that band. We're gonna do a little cardio burst because this is fat burning. That's what it's gonna look like. You're gonna do a jumping jack, knee tuck. Or you can jumping jack or walk jack, knee crunch, crunch. Got it? Got it? All right, we just have 8. Here we go. Take it out, in, hop. Out, in, hop it up. 4 more. Woo. 3, 2, last one. And shake it off. Woo. Awesome job.
Like it.
Woo, woo. All right, you guys, so that was just one round,
Yeah.
about 5 minutes. I'm out of breath, feeling good.
Same.
You can absolutely repeat this circuit, same one, a couple of times to get a killer workout. If you want like insane calorie crushing, fat burning workout, go download the app because I have the full video with a whole set of moves that are added onto this. Couple more rounds that we're gonna do together and you do not wanna miss it. So download it, free 7-day trial below. You guys, there's so much good stuff in there for you. You don't wanna miss out on it.
You want it, yeah.
And if you haven't signed up for the challenge yet, it's free. Go sign up below. 6 weeks of incredible workouts, and honestly, it's never too late to join us. Like, we're gonna be doing this a couple more weeks. All of Team LSF's in it with you, here to support you along the way. We love you guys so much. Don't forget, good things come to those who sweat, so we'll see you next week. Bye.